Good morning, dear students. Today we are starting the new chapter, that is probability after set theory. It is much better to start probability. You will see there a lot many things like in whatever we have studied in set theory. So let us have a probability over here. And this chapter, in earlier classes also you have studied this probability as measures of uncertainty. So it is not uh, new things to you. It is much familiar you are, and each and every day life you are doing this also. And we will come to know that how you are doing the probability. So we'll first consider this classical theory of probability. So this is nothing but the favorable outcome divided by total outcome. This is favorable outcome divided by total outcome you will be having, that will give you probability. And this is known as classical theory of probability. Random experiment. Then what is random experiment? In the probability we say whatever the happening, whatever event is going to happen, that is known as uh, random experiment. And random experiment must have these 2 points, as it has more than one possible outcome. Means if you toss a coin like this, if you toss a coin like this, then definitely you will be having either head or tail. So there are two things, whether you are getting head or tail. So uh, definitely it has a more than one possible outcome. And second point, it states that it is not possible to predict the outcome in advance. Means you never know whether it is coming head or tail. So you are not able to fix it. That's why it is said as random experiment. Randomly it is coming out. So tossing a coin, this is a example, and this is an example, and rolling a die, this is also an example of uh, how you will get that. And lot many things are there, but we are studying basically two three things uh, in there. So third point is outcome and sample space. So if you roll out a die, let us consider that if you roll out a die, and you will get 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the outcomes. Whatever you are getting is, these are the outcomes. Definitely one of the number you will get on the top surface of that die. Then we can say, if we put all the numbers in a set, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is if we will make a set of that particular outcomes, then it will be known as sample space. And each element of this sample space is known as sample point. So there are 6 sample points in a die when you roll out. So these are sample points. So each element of sample space is known as sample point. Sample point. So this is the theory for the first exercise you need to have you with you. So we'll move to the questions over there. And question states, two coins are tossed once and find the sample space. Means two coins, I want to explain one more thing, that there are two coins which are tossed once, or one coin that is tossed twice. Both the cases you will get the same sample space. So in the solution we can see head on both the coins. So let us have a thought that when you are tossing a coin like this, and first time or first coin you are getting head over there, and the second coin also you are getting head. So that might be the situation you will get. So head on both side or both coins, so that will give you H and H. This is ordered pair set we have. So this is ordered pair. So this shows the first coin output, and this shows the second coin output. So what we have is H comma H. So for simplicity, what we are doing is we are removing commas over there so that we can understand it better way, and it will be easy for us to write and explain the things. Head on the first coin and tail on the other means what? If you are tossing a coin, then you are getting head over there on the first coin, and that might be possible that you will get tail on the second coin. So what you have is HT. This is on tail on first coin and head on the other. So it might be possible that you will get tail on the first and head on the second. So you will get TH, and tail on both coins. Tail on both the coins. So definitely you will be having TT over there. Thus the sample space can be written as HH, HT, TH and TT. I'll one more thing, I'll explain it how to find out this sample space in a easy way. So you just write how many how many coins are there? Two coins. So H, H and then T, T. Four times you have written over there. Then write H, T, H, T. So in the first instance, there might be possible to you will get the HH or HT or TH or TT. So whatever you are getting is this thing. This is the sample space and this is your answer. Now I have written the sample space for two dice rolled out together or once. So either that is one die rolled twice or two dice rolled once. So in the this is nothing but the first number. The first number over here is shown you as the number in the first die, and the second number shows you the second die's number. So it is like one, first die gives you one and second die also give you one. Likewise you will get this entire system. So there are 36 outcomes when two dice are rolled out. This is for this. So now you will be able to solve your exercise 16.1.